everyone, I'm Lala Bad. I'm a bad bitch, so my fellow bad bitches, what's up? If you're new here, please take the time out to subscribe. What's up, y'all? So today, okay, so let me just tell you about what's going on. All right, so today I wanted to share with y'all this thing here. I couldn't pass up this deal that was offered to me, and I don't even remember where I found this. I believe it was on Instagram, and I had a code for a percentage off or for money off, and the box was a total of, I believe, $29.99 for the first box. And then of course every season you would pay the $49.99. So I always thought it just wasn't my style. But I did see a couple unboxings and I was like, yo, they got some pretty good stuff this month, and it's only $29.99 for the first month. And then I thought, well, it's only $49.99 every season. So this is the box I'm talking about. It is the Fab Fit Fun. I don't know why I always say Fab Fit Fun, but it's a Fab Fit Fun box. This is what it looked like, and I believe this box was. This is I think it's a spring box, but it's an editor's box, so I don't know what that even means. And I was able to make some choices, so that was cool. And I'm one of these members, so let's just open the box. If you're new here, you don't know, I like to turn the camera around and let y'all see with me what I see. So without further ado, let's turn the camera around and see what Fab Fit Fun got for me. Woohoo! By the way, can I just say, everyone that gets this thing here always says they're never going to use it. So this company, they just need to quit already, because nobody's going to use this, honey. Let it go, boo-boo. A note from us. And here's everything that's in the box. Cool. All right, here we go. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, first thing is this. This is, I don't know what this is. So let's just open it. Yeah, I don't know yet. Summer and Rose Celine Trinket Dish. And this is worth $22. So cute. So cute. So cute. All right, I like that. Next is this. Oh, these are the sunglasses by Diff. Let's Make a Difference. And these are cruise sunglasses. Aviators are such a classic style. All right, so these are aviator glasses, and they're worth $85. The fuck? Really? Okay. Cute. It comes with a wipe. Wow, these are so, yeah, oh my God. These might be for Rue. I don't know if they'll be for me. I don't know if they fit my face. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. So this is the Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. This is a 2.5 ounce bottle, and it is worth $29. Now, if you've seen my Instagram, then you've seen me use this. It was a little sample that I got. All right, y'all. So I got this spray. It's called a Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and you're supposed to. I got this in a beauty box, subscription box, and you're supposed to spray this on your pillow, and it's supposed to help you go to sleep. Let's see if it works. All right. Okay, I'm getting ready to lay down. All right. Ooh. All right. Baby, can we turn the light off so I can go to sleep? But you basically spray this on your pillow, and it's supposed to help you fall asleep. Okay. I'll probably sell this on Macari, to be honest with you. Lavito Aromatic Body Lotion, Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. And this is worth $19. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. This is worth $39. Cool. All right. Ooh, okay, so it's like a moisturizer. All right, cool. This is Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum by Way of the Heel. This is worth $24. Okay, it's for my cuticles. Which I needed another one because I gifted the other one to my mom. And I definitely need another one. Okay, cool. Ooh, ugh, I don't like the smell. All right, this is DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Mask. Oh, I like this brand. Okay, this I am definitely keeping. I am keeping a lot of this stuff, y'all. Okay, cool. It's a 9-ounce tub and it's worth $42. And then I guess the last thing is this. This is, see if I can open it where I should open it. And there's not a side. This is from Ish, okay. Ish Smoking Hot Palette. All right. Ooh, that's cute. Look at that. So fancy. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, cool. Okay, let's turn the camera around and see what some of this looks on me. If you're new here, then this is how close we get because I want you to see what things look like on me. Like, for real, for real. So let's try the sunglasses. They're here. Let's try them. See if they fit my face. If they don't fit my face, I'm going to give them to Rue. But I'll make them work. Don't worry. Here we go. Do they fit my face? I don't have the cheeks for them to hold them up. Only when I smile. I don't know. I'll see how they look on Rue. I'll maybe put a picture here so you can see what they look like on him. All right, cool. Cool. All right, moving on to, what can I try? I can try the eyeshadow palette. I think that's all that I can try, really, to be honest. Let's go for that this year. All right, well, I'm gonna try to work with this palette and see what it do, you know, when I don't have makeup on. But you know, it gave me a smoke, so there's that. So I'm getting rid of only 3 things, and I'm keeping the rest. So I think this box was a win for $29.99 on the first box, and even if I was to have paid $49.99 for this box, it would have been. It's a good deal. I like it. I really, really like this box. I'm finally part of the Fab Fit Fun. The Fab Fit Fun. Yay! I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to take the time out to subscribe. All right, bye.